Hello! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the shortcut panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. It will open the list of durations, as you can see. You can scroll through this list, find the duration you would like to use and tap on it. And we have options like always, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours and 8 hours. If you select always, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and it will stay on until you disable it. And of course, if you select one of the durations, for example 30 minutes, it will stay on for 30 minutes and then turn itself off automatically. And once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you will see the message at the bottom, D&D on, and also the icon will change the color, or it will get highlighted, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the shortcut panel, tap on the icon, it will say Do Not Disturb mode or D&D is off. The icon will go back to the gray color, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can press the home button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the D&D option and tap on it. And here we can enable or disable the mode by tapping on the switch. And we can also make a schedule for it. So basically we can make it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. And we can tap on the switch next to scheduled, then tap on duration, and we have start time and end time. Tap on start, set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode should turn on automatically, then tap on the check mark to confirm, then we have end time, set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should turn off automatically, tap on the check mark, and once you're done you can swipe right. And as you can see, now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically 3 past 10 p.m. and then it will turn off automatically 11 past 6 a.m. Okay, and once you're done you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.